Here, we're going to be focusing on using brightness and contrast for our images. So we can do that by either going to the adjustment layer icon and selecting brightness and contrast here, or we can go to layer, and from here, we can select new adjustment layer and we can go to brightness and contrast. And we can just select OK from here. And as you can see, we're able to adjust our brightness like so, and you can see this being applied to our image, and we can also adjust the contrast. So you can play around with these two. We've got the option of selecting auto, and Photoshop will adjust it to the most optimal settings. But if you feel like these are most appropriate, you can add further adjustments. We can also choose to select and deselect the eye icon to toggle visibility. And if we want, we can delete our layer by selecting this icon just here. So if I just quickly show you that and we select yes, as you can see, that's been deleted. And if we do Control Z to undo that, and it brings us back our layer. And from here, if we want to get to our settings, so if I was just to close this and we want to get back to those settings, what we can do is if we just click on this icon just here of our layer, and as you can see, we've got those settings again.